Okay, so wiring, this would be considered like a dual voltage motor, or maybe like a multi-voltage motor. So notice the wire diagram says low voltage, and you got a diagram, and high voltage, right? So usually high voltage is 460, 480, low voltage is 208, 230. But you can't always assume that. So what you have to do is look at a diagram, well, look at your nameplate and see it says 208, 230 / 460. So in this case, 208, 230 is your low voltage, 460 is your high voltage. All right. So notice you got some numbers here. So we're dealing with the high voltage. I know it's 480 because the last one was 480, right? So what you want to do is wires 6 and 9 have to be wire nutted together. Terminals 5 and 8 have to be joined together. 4 and 7 have to be joined together. And then since it's 3-phase, you're gonna have 3 power wires, right? And so usually, if you do it right, in the disconnect box, you got brown, orange, and yellow, right? So this is the order it should be. Brown is line 1, orange is line 2, yellow is line 3. So the way you remember it is the word boy, right? Boy. B for brown, O for orange, Y for yellow. So really the color doesn't matter, but it's kind of like a standard, you know? So now on the bottom wires, you got line 1, line 2, and line 3, right? So wires 3 go to line 1.
Wire 3 goes to line 1.
Wire 2 goes to line
Wire
2.
2 goes to line 2. Wire 1 goes to line 3.
And here on your motor, you got numbers. You see 4. And then a 6 and a 9 can be confusing, right? So they put a line, right? That's a 9. Because see, the line is on the bottom. And then a 6, you get a 6. And that's another thing, you see? 6 and 9 go together, right? So here you can't really like make an error. So you see 6 with the line on the bottom. So usually, so this motor's already pre-wired for 480. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. And the reason why they do that is because if you're a tech and you don't know, right? If you have this motor wired for 208, 230 and you apply 480 on it, most likely you're gonna fry it, all right? So it comes ready for 480 for the higher voltage. So if you put your high voltage on this motor, it's just gonna run, you know? So you have to change it to the low voltage if that's what you're using. But in this case, we're using high voltage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put wire nuts on these, get it wired up, and then we'll check on the water level and see what we got.